Hey everyone! Welcome to Credit Loan Mastery, your ultimate guide to smart borrowing. I'm excited to help you navigate the world of loans, credit scores, and financial success. Let's dive right in. First up, here's what you'll learn today. We're breaking down how to get approved for personal, auto, home, and business loans. I'll share secrets to improving your credit score fast, the best loan options, and low-interest strategies. Plus, we'll talk about avoiding common loan traps and hidden fees, and I'll give you insider tips to achieve financial freedom. All right, let's start with getting approved for loans. Whether it's a personal loan, an auto loan, a home mortgage, or a business loan, the key is a solid credit score. Lenders want to see that you're reliable and can repay what you borrow. So, how do you boost your credit score quickly? Number 1, pay your bills on time. This might seem obvious, but it's the biggest factor in your credit score. Number 2, keep your credit card balances low. Aim for using less than 30% of your available credit. And number 3, don't open too many new accounts at once. It can look risky to lenders. Now let's talk about choosing the right loan options. Always shop around for the best interest rates. Compare offers from different lenders, banks, credit unions, and online lenders. And consider the loan term. Longer terms mean lower monthly payments, but you'll pay more in interest over time. Balance what you can afford monthly with the total cost of the loan. Watch out for common loan traps and hidden fees. Read the fine print. Look out for prepayment penalties, application fees, and even processing fees. These can add up quickly and make what seemed like a good deal not so great. And finally, insider tips to financial freedom. Budgeting is your best friend. Plan your finances, track your spending, and stick to your budget. Also, build an emergency fund. Life happens, and having a financial cushion can keep you from falling into debt. So there you have it. Smart borrowing starts with understanding your credit score, choosing the right loan, avoiding traps, and budgeting wisely. Thanks for watching Credit Loan Mastery. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you'll never miss an update. Let's master our financial futures together. See you next time.